Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think and enjoy. Now me and my friend is gonna go get some wings. He also has an Ecoboost just like me. If you guys wanna ask him about his Ecoboost, I'll leave his Instagram down below in the description. Talked about life generally. I haven't seen him for a long time, which is why I don't want to be disrespectful and record. But I hope you guys understand that, and I'll see him tomorrow anyways. So let's just see if I can record some clips for you guys. So we're in Mexico, by the way. And most of you guys don't know, but this is how we make pops on a Mustang Ecoboost. So you downshift it, keep it into first gear, and you go high on RPMs like that, and you just lightly tap the gas pedal. So the pops and bangs usually happen when there's excess amount of fuel that touches the hot exhaust. Therefore, this creates an explosion inside the exhaust. But yeah, we shouldn't be doing it that much just because it does wear your engine a lot and it uses a lot of fuel. Yeah, so I woke up and it was raining and I hate this shitty ass weather. Yeah, so let's just see what we can do today. We kind of can't do a lot in this weather just because my car is usually like sliding around and like it's kind of dangerous. Aw, his Prius is drenched probably from the inside. I mean, it's hella raining. Look at this, like on the freeway, I can barely see shit. there. Fuck, that was gonna be the end of me. I was gonna do a Mustang right there. Fuck. We're here at downtown Ford because Robert needs his service done. As you guys can see, there's a Mustang GT there. I don't know how I feel about it, just because it's a really bright color and I don't think it really matches my personality. But yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video, just because I'm driving home and I'm really tired, so I'm probably gonna fall asleep straight away. Hope you guys are safe from COVID, and wash your hands and wear your mask. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.